Hello, good morning, all of you. So, till now we discussed so many things on sets, the properties, and diagrams, some questions. Today we'll discuss some important questions. The questions are given in this way. Using the properties, we'll solve these questions. Let's see the questions. What is the question? First question is there. Show there. A union A intersection B is equal to A. That we need to show. Okay. So two ways we can show. First one, so easy. Left hand side what is given? That A union A intersection B. That we can say A union A intersection A union B. Okay. A union A is a intersection A union B. This is equal to A intersection A as A is the subset of A union B. This universal truth. This is nothing but what? A. This is the right hand side. Okay? Or alternative method, what you can say, let X belongs to A union A intersection B. X belongs to A union A intersection B. A intersection B is also a set. So what you can say, X belongs to A union is or X belongs to A intersection B. That means what? X belongs to A or X belongs to A and X belongs to B. From here what you can say, X belongs to A. This X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means X, you can assume that X belongs to A also. Implies X belongs to A union A. It implies what? X belongs to A. Okay. So if we go in the reverse order, that we can use this one, if and only if. So X belongs to this. From here we are getting this one. So as for X belongs to A, the properties are X belongs to A, it implies X belongs to B, then A is a subset of B. Okay, this is one property. Or we can say, if A is subset of B, it implies B is subset of A. Then it implies what? A is equal to B. Two sets are equal. Then two sets are equal. Here what you can say? X is this and we are getting that. That means what? From here what you can say? A union A intersection B is a subset of A. Similarly, we can prove that A is a subset of A union A intersection B. It implies what? From here what you can say? A union A intersection B is nothing but A. This is the proof. Okay? Next one, the number 2, and the same way you can do, that is same process. Let's see question number 2. Question answer number 2. What is answer number 2? Given PA is equal to PB, PA is equal to PB, and we have to show that A is equal to B. Okay? Let X is any arbitrary element. Any arbitrary element of A. Okay. The next, A has a subset that we take as, that is taken as X. That is, X is the subset of A. It implies what? X is belongs to PA. If X belongs to PA, or that such that we can say X belongs to X. X belongs to PA means what? X belongs to PB, as PA is equal to PB. So if X belongs to PB, that means X is the subset of B. X is subset of B, and X belongs to B. If X is subset of B, then X belongs to B. X belongs to A, and then X belongs to A. That is what? What you can say? As X belongs to A, it implies X belongs to B. So A is the subset of B. This is number 1. This is number 1. Here, similarly, you can say Y is any arbitrary element. Of B, and Y has a subset. Y is a subset. Y is a subset of B, such that Y belongs to Y. That is, if Y belongs to Y, then Y also belongs to B. Okay. Then what you can say? Y is subset of B implies Y belongs to PB, implies what? Y belongs to PA, as PA is equal to PB, implies what? Y is subset of A. That implies small y belongs to A. So from here what you can say? B is the subset of A. This is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what you can say? From 1 and 2, A is subset of B and B is subset of A. From 1 and 2, we get A is equal to B. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3, for all sets A, B, C, A is subset of B. Given A is subset of B, we have to show, what do we have to show? A intersection C is subset of B intersection C. That we need to show. Okay. Let X belongs to A intersection C. That means for X belongs to A and X belongs to C. Here A is subset of B. X belongs to A means what? X belongs to B also, and X belongs to C. It implies what? X belongs to B and X belongs to C. That means X belongs to B intersection C. So we assume that X belongs to A intersection C and we are getting X belongs to B intersection C. So that property, with the help of the property of subset, or you can say A intersection B C is subset of B intersection C. So this way we have to solve the problem. So if any doubt, please send the message in the message box. I'll try to clear it. Thank you. Have a nice day.